Welcome to the course of population genetics. Take a look at your family. You probably look similar to your parents and siblings, and they look similar to their parents and siblings. However, you don't look exactly the same, and this is due to the genetic variation. You get your genes from your parents, which is why you and your siblings look similar to them and each other. Your genes have alleles, which are different forms of the same gene. Alleles are like a code for your body that determines hair color, eye color, height, and other genetic features. There are different questions in your mind. Where does genetic variation come from? One person can say genetic variation is produced by changes in the DNA. Somebody says that genetic variation is produced by natural selection. Somebody will say genetic variation is the result of adaptation. I think you are all correct. Genetic variation are generally refers to the differences between genes of individual members of a population in which the various types of genes are expressed. It is important for the survival and adaptation of a species and it helps in the process of evolution. Genetic variation occurs in three ways. One way is through the simple mutation, that is a change of certain genes that can be passed on to the offspring. Second way through individuals from other population with different genetics entering the original population. Third way is through breeding with a population that results in different genes, usually recessive, being expressed. There are three causes of genetic variation: mutation, gene flow, and sexual reproduction. Now we are going to see one by one in detail. Mutation. Mutation is the sudden change in DNA sequence. Mutation can occur in germ cells as well as in somatic cells. But when mutation occurs in germ cells in an organism, they are inherited. When mutations develop during an organism's life in somatic cells, they are not inherited in the next generation. Some mutations are harmful, whereas some mutations are beneficial for survival. For example, sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a blood disorder which is inherited. In this case, the RBCs become sickle shaped due to the mutation in beta chain of hemoglobin, where glutamic acid is replaced by the amino acid valine. And due to the sickle shape of RBCs, this disease is advantageous for to prevent the malaria because the malarial parasite can't live inside the RBCs. So this type of mutation is also beneficial for survival. Second cause for genetic variation is gene flow, that is movement of genes from one population to another. It may be migration of different individuals from one population to another. For example, in case of plants, pollen being blown to new destination. Peoples moving to new cities or countries is also called as gene flow, and it is one of the important source of genetic variation. Third cause is sexual reproduction. During gamete formation in germ cells, while cell division, crossing over takes place. And due to this crossing over, there is exchange of chromosomal material between homologous chromosomes. So, there are new combinations are formed. So, genetic material is exchanged and formation of gametes, chromosomes are assorted by chance. In addition, random mating takes place during fertilization that may also responsible for genetic variations. We are born with adaptation because these differences are naturally present in our DNA. It allows individual within a given species to adapt to their environment. Because of genetic variation, we are able to adapt, known as survival of the natural selection. Adaptation make organism different, and if it occurs over a long period of time, we can get new species. Thank you very much.